In this video, we're going to factory reset a Unifi switch. First, you want to get a paperclip, put it in the back of the device where the reset button is, and just press it down. We're going to wait until the light turns white and then continue holding it. And after about 20 seconds, we can let go of it. And now we'll let it reboot itself, and it should be ready to be adopted again. You'll see the lights change while it's going through this process. The lights changing on the front just means it is continuing to reboot. And now that it is solid white, it is ready for us to re-adopt it into the Unifi system. Thanks.